Phone connected.
Good morning, everybody. Figured I'd do something a little different. Take you over by a little lake that's right by my house here. Nothing too exciting. It's one of those just kind of nice to have places. I hope this finds everybody well. This is called Lake Olmstead. A lot of weddings over at the building that's on it, little gazebo. I've done some engagement pictures there. A lot of people come out and run around the lake for exercise. Just a neat little area. Got a little bit of a boat launch down here. Bring a lot of kayaks down. Good place to get some kids out and have some fun. Was going to bring the drone out here and fly it around a little bit, but we'll save that for another day. Got a baseball field over there that a lot of softball teams and everything. They play some frisbee golf, which I never mastered regular golf. I'm pretty sure frisbee golf probably isn't in the game for me. We used to have a semi-pro baseball team right down here. It used to be called the Augusta Green Jackets. They moved into South Carolina. Still the Green Jackets, but moved to a lot nicer stadium. Lake Olmstead's a little bit of a tributary off the Augusta Canal and the Savannah River. You actually can go and rent a kayak up at the head gates of the Savannah Canal and come down here and they'll pick you up. Pretty nice, good little recreation thing. But it's a nice little lake. A lot of people fish off the bridges around it. I don't know that I'd eat anything that came out of it, but I haven't gone fishing in so long. It's kind of like my idea of fishing is going to pick out what I want at Fresh Market. This little parking area up here is for people that can walk across a little levee on the Augusta Canal or bike across and go do the canal, which is, I guess it's about 7 miles one way. Neat little path. It's the tow path where they used to pull the barges with cotton down from the farmers in the fields to take to the mills in Augusta. Quite a bit of history, and they've refurbished everything. And now it's a little great place for joggers, bicyclists, walkers. So it's a neat little area right at home. So I'll get the kayak or the drone out here and do some footage of it.